I still maintain that my game strategy from last week was pure tactical genius.
Tactical genius? You lost by 20 points, John.
Details, details. The scoreboard simply failed to capture my visionary spirit.
Well, your visionary spirit is about to get defeated by my very ordinary dice rolls.
Challenge accepted. Let's see who gets the first turn.
Ooh, a double 6. That means I go first.
Unbelievable beginner's luck. Pass me a snack while I plan my epic comeback move.
Only if you promise not to blame the dice when you lose again.
Me? Blame the dice? I would never!
Right. Keep telling yourself that. Now make your move, strategist.
Prepare to witness greatness.
I'm ready when you are.
So, are we baking chocolate chip cookies or attempting a fancy French pastry today?
Chocolate chip cookies, John. Let's not burn the kitchen down on a Tuesday.
Ah, sticking to the classics. Wise and delicious choice.
Exactly. Now put that spoon to work and help me stir the batter when I say so.
Ready for heavy stirring duties whenever you give the signal.
Almost ready. Just need to add the magic ingredient, extra chocolate chips.
Look at that texture. It's turning out perfectly.
That is certified masterpiece batter right there.
Make sure you leave enough space between them so they don't merge into one giant mega cookie.
Mega cookie sounds like an upgrade, not a mistake.
Into the oven, fiery furnace it goes. Timer set for 12 minutes.
12 minutes of waiting patiently. Excellent teamwork.
Guarding the oven with my life until they are golden brown. Never! I can already smell the deliciousness.
Best baking day ever!
I think our little fern has outgrown its old pot and become a tiny forest monster.
That's called thriving, John. Plants do that when you actually remember to water them.
Forest monster sounds dramatic. I prefer botanical overachiever.
Botanical overachiever it is. Now hand over the fresh potting soil, assistant gardener.
Fern is secure and ready for its brand new luxury apartment.
Fresh soil delivery coming right up. Hold the fern steady.
Look at that. It looks happier already.
A comfortable home makes all the difference in the plant kingdom.
One plant down, only 3 more succulents to go.
Bring on the succulents. We are unstoppable landscaping. Pause for water break before tackling the prickly cactus. That cactus looks like it holds a personal grudge against humanity.
That's why you get to wear the heavy-duty armor gloves today.
Armor equipped. Let's tame that cactus.
You've got this, fearless explorer.
I vote we play upbeat jazz standards for the rest of the afternoon.
Jazz standards? Didn't we listen to jazz yesterday morning, John?
Classical jazz is a lifestyle choice, not a daily quota.
How about acoustic folk music instead? Something peaceful and fresh for a change.
Acoustic folk it is. You drive a hard bargain, music director.
I know what sounds best on a sunny afternoon.
Drop the needle gently, maestro.
Needle dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this sounds instantly relaxing. Perfect choice. See? My musical compliance rating is top.
Snack bowl is perfectly positioned for maximum listening comfort.
Maximum comfort achieved. No one move for the next hour.
Motionlessness locked in! Not a single step will be taken.
Good assistant. Now just close your eyes and enjoy the melodies.
Best afternoon playlist ever.
Without a single doubt.